How to draw a cowboy hat, step by step. Hey, what is going on everyone? So for the first step of our drawing today, we're going to begin by drawing a long curvy line going from left to right. Now on the top left part of that curvy line that we just drew together, we're going to begin to draw a curvy rectangular shape to help make the brim of our hat. Now from the bottom left corner of that shape that I just drew, we're going to draw a very small line. Now connected to the line and shape that we just drew together, we're going to begin to draw a long curvy line similar to what we first drew together. This will go underneath what we first made. Now we're going to connect those two lines by using another curved line. I know, another curved line, right? Let's go ahead and connect those to make the bottom of our hat. Now if you're all done with that step, let's continue. For the next step, we're going to draw the top of our hat by using two curvy lines. The first line that we draw will be on the right hand side. This line will connect all the way down to the base of our hat. The second line that we draw will overlap with the first line that we drew. Nice! Now let's draw the second line. And if you're enjoying today's video so far, then be sure to give it a big like so other YouTube artists just like yourself can watch our video and we can continue to grow our community together. Nice! Now we're almost done. For the last step, we're going to begin to add in some detail to our hat by using a shape and a couple curved lines. You can follow what I do, or you can get kind of creative and add the designs wherever you would like. And at the end of today's video, I'm going to show you a picture of my drawing all colored in, so that you can pause the video and match your colors if you'd like to. Now lastly, I'm just going to add in one more line. But thank you for watching on How to Draw Hub. I'm sure your drawing turned out great. If you'd like me to see your drawing, then share with me on Instagram by using hashtag #LearnHowToDrawHub. And if you're interested in watching more step-by-step drawing tutorials, just like today's video, then I highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button, because we upload every single day. Thanks for drawing with me today. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.